Oh yeah, that's real bad. There's a whole damn hole through this thing. Brian, I wouldn't drive this too much.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Just look under here.
Is that the one with the big hole in it? Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah. If that snaps off, you're going for a ride there, buddy. There's a hole like this. And all the weight's right there on the end of the ball joint.
Yeah. Yeah.
That,
You hit one of these potholes down 61, you're done.
That's bad. That's real bad. And they said something about rockers. Here's a little, maybe this side here. You can patch that in. That's no biggie there. Yeah, there's no need to get another vehicle. Holy heck, that's nothing.
All right.
You got a hole like this, which I can weld metal in there and bring it right down. If you look right there, you see it?
Okay. Oh yeah.
That's nothing. Just unbolt this plate here and weld a new panel in. Just a small patch panel.
Okay.
This thing ain't that far gone. That control arm's the most dangerous thing I've seen.
I don't know why I always do this. Focus on the jack going up.
You like jacking, don't you?
Well, I do have that trophy.
Yeah. I see what they mean. It's starting to it. It's not through at all. This will take a little bit of work pulling this out. I don't know if you can go around the back side here. It's not like there's a hole in it or anything.
Huh.
But you could grind all this out. Pull this strut out would make it easy. Then you could weld that in there. Whole panel all the way down into here and all the way up to the top and put one around that side. This is still solid here, and then just re-undercoat it. It's not like you need to throw this whole car away. And then the wheel cylinders and that's nothing to do.
So thanks to Steve Moyer Subaru and also Ken, their media guy, we were able to slip in here, and Goldie is up on the rack going to get its lower control arm fixed under a recall. And where can you see him here? Are they going to do both of them, or? Well, this one is pretty rusty, the passenger one, but they're definitely going to have to replace this guy, whose finger I can just put right in to this control arm, and it's right here on the flex point here. So, to think I was driving off-road in this, that's the nuts part. So there's Ken, media guy. This will be good to keep this car going at least another year, maybe two, but I am open to the ideas of a different camera car. Maybe Subaru. Some of the people in the comments suggested it would be a Mazda 6 GT wagon. But to find one of those things in stick, that would be quite a search. I do have a very large boner for the Forester Turbo, the XT model. There are some for sale. They command a pretty high price for a used car. But for now, we are going to keep Goldie.
Uh-oh. You know what time it is. Loaner car.